A snake-eye tactical dive knife is one beautifully crafted tactical knife you'd want to have on board in case of any silky situation. Rocking an all-stainless steel body, it can viably be taken into all sorts of water without the fear of rusting or getting blunt. The sharpness goes two ways with this double-edged knife, either side would efficiently cut through any entanglement elements. The strong and durable blade and handle are well chiseled and streamlined, it's not so heavy on the hands, but robust enough to facilitate a good hold. To guarantee prolonged use, it's best to rinse the knife off with fresh water after use, it's a really handy knife all in all. This full-sized knife is definitely the scuba diver's go-to knife, it's well crafted with a beautiful curve that makes it quite easy to cut through materials. Measuring 9.45 long from the blade to the handle, it's adequately sized for the task at hand. What's great about this diving knife is the titanium blade and molded rubber handle that require little maintenance. It's durable, solid and extremely sharp. The sharp edge is great for tearing things apart, poking in holes, and ripping materials like ropes in two. Just at the edge of the Promate Scuba dive knife's durable handle is a small and useful titanium handle that may come in handy in and out of the water. The knife comes with a sheath and adjustable straps for easy and secure wearing when swimming. Promate Scuba Diving Snorkeling Sharp Tip Stainless Steel Knife. This Promate dive knife has a rugged plastic grip with a hammer device built into the butt of the handle. It comes with a hard plastic secure click and sheath and strap. The pointed blade is 5 inches long and has both serrated and non-serrated edges, as well as a line cutter. The blade and butt are stainless steel which is corrosion resistant, but to prolong the life of the knife, rinsing with fresh water is recommended after each dive. Promate Point Tip Scuba Dive BC Knife. A small serrated blade will work great as a tool and is easier to attach in a variety of places. The molded sheath with pre-installed clips are designed for easy mounting and can be placed on most places by Velcro closure straps of BC or nylon tight straps. Sharp at the point in one side of blade and serrated edge at another side. Small notch toward the handle to cut lines safely.